hairdryer sets that everybody is hyping up on my FYP right now. So let's actually see if it does what it says it does. First up, the quality is actually a lot better. They're almost like a good quality plastic, if that makes sense. It's got 3 different settings and see how it works. So here we go. So it actually dried my hair a lot quicker than I thought it would, but as you can see, I have no volume whatsoever. But I'm gonna use some of the other attachments and see what sort of styling we can get out of it. I mean, it's quite a good concept having just the attachments that all go onto one styler rather than having all individual stylers. Like, it saves so much space.